This next exercise is going to involve some slaps. And you're going to be slapping front and you're going to be slapping side, just like we did in Never Too Late. But now we're going to be adding some heel drops to them as well. So you'll slap with one foot and heel drop with the opposite foot. We are going to be using something in dance that's called a pas de bourree to change which foot you're working on. And we're adding a little spank to that. Typically a pas de bourree in dance, you step behind, you step to the side, then you either step in front or step to the other side. We're going to step sides, back, side, side, but we're going to add a little spank before that first step back. So spank, step, side, side. A spank is a backwards brush. This is a fun one. It's a good little exercise, so give it a try. So a slap, just to review, is like a flap, except you don't change your weight. So I'm doing a brush touch as opposed to a brush step. So we're going to do some to the front, like this. We're going to do some out to the side, like that. We're also going to do a back diagonal flap, where you're going to change your weight. Let me show you sideways. So you're brushing and stepping on it behind the other foot, and you have to pick up the other foot. So it's going to be a slap to the front, then a heel drop, a slap to the side, another heel drop, then that back diagonal flap, then you're going to step left, step right. So you're stepping to the sides when you do those last two steps. Then it would switch to the left side, so you do a slap to the front, heel drop, slap to the side, heel drop, a back diagonal flap, step right, step left. So putting it together, it's going to be front, heel, side, heel, back flap, step, step. Front, heel, side, heel, back flap, step, step. Front, heel, side, heel, back flap, step, step. Front, side, back, step, step. Now that last step is actually a stamp. I'm putting my foot flat on the ground. That's going to help with balance, and it just kind of has what we refer to in dance as a pas de bourree sort of feel to it. Pas de bourree is a combination that actually comes from ballet originally. That is a either back, side, front action or back, side, side. So this very much has that sort of pas de bourree. Let's do those slaps one more time. So you're doing slap front, heel, slap side, heel, back flap, step, stamp. Slap front, heel, slap side, heel, back flap, step, stamp. Front, heel, side, heel, back, step, stamp. Front, heel, side, heel, back, step, stamp. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do those slaps one more time. So you're doing slap front, heel, slap side, heel, back flap, step, stamp. Slap front, heel, slap side, heel, back flap, step, stamp. Front, heel, side, heel, back, step, stamp. Front, heel, side, heel, back, step, stamp. A 1, 2, a 3, 4,